Welcome. In front of me is a TCL TAB 10L, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications, and right here I already can see my power saving mode. So all you need to do is just tap on it, give it a second, and it will enable, and that's basically all you need to do. Now, one thing to keep in mind: once you enable this mode, it will most likely disable Wi-Fi when the device is in sleep mode. So if you're wondering why you're not getting any kind of notifications from applications that would normally require internet connection, like Facebook, Messenger, and so on, that's basically the reason. But anyway, once you turn off power saving mode, everything will go back to normal. So there we go. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.